The deadline for sending HMRC your company tax return is usually 12 months after the end of the accounting period it covers. There's a separate deadline to pay your corporation tax bill, and that's 9 months and 1 day after the end of the accounting period. For example, if your accounting period ends on the 30th of March, the corporation tax must be with HMRC within 9 months and 1 day. So in our example, by the 31st of December. If your payment is late, you may be charged interest and penalties. It's important to use the correct payment reference for each accounting period. It'll be different each time you make a payment. You'll find it on your notice to deliver your tax return or in any reminders we send. It's also in your company's HMRC online account. Choose View Corporation Tax Statement, then Accounting Periods, and select the correct period. Your details are automatically entered for you if you pay online using your business tax account. We recommend this as it reduces the risk of payments going missing. Once you've signed into your business tax account, you'll see the Corporation Tax section. It includes an option to make a corporation tax payment. Select the link to go to the Corporation Tax Details page. Then select this link and choose a way to pay. You can approve a payment direct from your bank account, or you can make a single one-off direct debit payment for your corporation tax bill. This is not a recurring payment. If you've not paid by direct debit before, allow 5 working days for this to be set up. After that, it should then take 3 working days each time you pay. You can also pay by debit or corporate credit card online. Credit cards and corporate debit cards are charged a non-refundable fee. There's no fee if you pay by personal debit card. You cannot pay with a personal credit card. After choosing your payment method, select Continue and follow the instructions. If you pay using one of these methods, you'll receive an on-screen confirmation that you've sent your payment. If you've not yet registered for a business tax account, you can still pay online. Search Pay Your Corporation Tax Bill on gov.uk for more information. To make your payment by online or telephone bank transfer using faster payments, BACs or CHAPs. You need HMRC's bank details. There are separate account details if you're paying from an overseas account. Remember to make sure you pay by the deadline to avoid any interest or penalties. You can find more information about corporation tax on gov.uk and in our other helpful videos on YouTube.